The top 5 best stand mixer for cookie dough recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Faisal Stand Mixer. Faisal Household Stand Mixer equipment with 660W high-performance pure metal gear wheel motor. Realize 5 minutes, take shape of soft dough without heating up. Help you and your family make the baking more tender and delicious. Besides, save your time and energy. This kitchen standing mixer with 3 + 1 stainless steel attachments, dough hook / egg whisk / beater, splash guard with access easily hatches, addition of materials, 360 no trace stirs mix, which realize fast mixing without layering. Make the stirring more thorough, no scratches. Recommendation number 2. Stand Mixer. Wall 12-speed tilt-head kitchen mixer. The stand mixer featured with 112 gears precise speed controller from slow stir to fast mix. Accurately meet your various ingredients and various mixing needs. The excellent technology of planetary mixing can achieve uniform and thorough mixing, and the power of 350W provides sufficient mixing power. The 4.5 QT bowl provides enough mixing capacity. You can mix 800 of flour at one time, plus other ingredients. The total capacity can be up to 1.6. Both sides of the bowl are equipped with handles to make it more convenient to take. Recommendation number 3. Afeel Stand Mixer 800W. Afeel Kitchen Food Mixer comes with meat grinder, blender, dough hook, whisk, beer, pasta roller, sausage kit, cookie presses, etc. It will be your perfect kitchen machine for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastry, meat sauce, and more. Also with splash guard helps add ingredients without making a mess. 8.5 QT food grade stainless steel bowl can meet almost all your kitchen needs. The tilt head design not only allows you removing the mixing bowl and replacing the beaters or dough hooks easily, but also prevent you from injury with automatic power off function once tilt head indicates. Recommendation number 4. C. Heffley Stand Mixer. High performance 660W motor finishes kneading and mixing quickly and thoroughly than human hands. Handy 6-speed control with a pulse function for all your food tasks or recipe preparation needs. Food grade stainless steel bowl with fine polish, durable and safe. Ensure the health of you and your family. Large 7.5 QT capacity meets normal kitchen needs and easily makes cakes, breads, cookies, salad dressing, etc. Recommendation number 5. Panty Stand Mixer. Made of food-grade stainless steel, a 8.5 QT mixing bowl perfectly meet the need of household life and Christmas party. The kitchen mixer comes with 3 attachments, dough hook, whisk, and beer. All are dishwasher safe. Stand Mixer has a built-in 660 pure copper motor with planetary mixing system, 6 optimized speed modes plus pulse function that can select the corresponding speed mode for various foods while fully ingredient mixing.